trying to rearrange the lifestyle of a bunch of people who don't want to change. But they're going to change because the cold wind is blowing.
You ever studied Satanism?
This nation, this country is founded in violence. Violence is like this country have violent ends. Madness is something rare in individuals, but in groups, people, and nations, it is the rule. Killing is killing, whether done for duty, profit, or fun. Men murder themselves into this democracy.
You worship the devil? You ever studied Satanism?